In this video, let us explore the WORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS functions in Microsoft Excel. These are essential functions for project management and business scheduling. We will learn how to calculate business days effectively. Before diving into the functions, let us understand what business days are. Business days are weekdays, that is, Monday through Friday, excluding weekends and holidays. This means that the days from Monday to Friday are included, while weekends and holidays are excluded when calculating business days. The WORKDAY function calculates a future date by adding a specified number of business days to a start date. The syntax for the WORKDAY function is as follows: equals workday, open parenthesis, start date, comma, days, comma, holidays, close parenthesis. Here, start date is the initial date, days is the number of business days to add, and holidays is an optional list of holidays to exclude. Let us look at an example. In cell A1, we have the start date as January 15, 2024. In cell B1, the formula equals workday, open parenthesis, A1, 10, close parenthesis is used. The result is January 29, 2024. Explanation: 10 business days after January 15th is January 29th, skipping the weekends. The NETWORKDAYS function counts the number of business days between two dates. The syntax for the NETWORKDAYS function is as follows: equals NETWORKDAYS, open parenthesis, start date, comma, end date, comma, holidays, close parenthesis. Here, start date is the beginning date, end date is the ending date, and holidays is an optional list of holidays to exclude. Here is an example of the NETWORKDAYS function. In cell A1, we have the start date as January 1, 2024. In cell B1, the end date is January 15, 2024. In cell C1, the formula equals NETWORKDAYS, open parenthesis, A1, B1, close parenthesis is used, which results in 11 days. This means there are 11 business days between January 1st and January 15th, excluding weekends. Both the WORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS functions accept an optional holidays parameter to exclude specific dates. For example, with holidays range, the formula can be written as equals workday, open parenthesis, A1, 10, E1 E5, close parenthesis. You can reference a range containing holiday dates to exclude them from the calculations. These functions have several project management applications. In project scheduling, the WORKDAY function can be used to calculate delivery dates and milestone deadlines. For duration analysis, the NETWORKDAYS function can be used to measure the actual working time between project phases. These are essential tools for accurate business timeline planning and resource allocation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.